if we told you there is a proven formula for selling anything to anyone? Find out how to create the perfect sales script in this must-watch video. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talk about one of the most important skills for any salesperson or entrepreneur: how to create the perfect sales script. Whether you are selling a product, a service, or an idea, having a well-crafted script can make all the difference in closing the deal. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on sales, marketing, and entrepreneurship. So let's get started. Why a sales script is important, especially if you are in the beginning of generating leads. It helps you stay on track, be more confident, and communicate your message effectively. What are the situations where a sales script can be useful? Phone calls, meetings, presentations, webinars, etc. Remember that the sales script should be tailored to your target audience and their specific needs and pain points. What are the elements of a perfect sales script? Let's say a frame. So the main components of a sales script are: grab the prospect's attention and introduce yourself and your offer. For example, ask questions to uncover the prospect's needs, pain points, and goals. Present your solution as the best fit for the prospect's needs and explain its benefits and features. Address common objections and concerns that the prospect may have. Ask for the sale and provide a clear call to action. Don't forget to customize your sales script. This is not something that you can use like a robot. You have to change it according to your target audience. Research your audience's needs, pain points, and preferences using tools like surveys, interviews, social media, and analytics. Let's say you are selling software to two different buyer personas: small business owners and enterprise executives. Your script might look like something like this. Small business owner: enterprise executive. Best practices for using your sales script effectively. Practice, practice, and practice. Rehearse your script until it feels natural and authentic. Listen actively, pay attention to the prospect's responses, and adapt your script accordingly. Be flexible. Don't be afraid to deviate from your script if the conversation goes in a different direction. Follow up. Keep in touch with prospects who didn't buy immediately and continue to provide value and build rapport. Now that you know the key elements for a perfect sales script, it's time to put them into action. If you are ready to take your sales to the next level, visit our website to learn more about our AI lead generation service and how we can help you craft the perfect pitch for your business. Don't wait, take action today and start closing more deals.